Okay, let's do a horizontal shift. Horizontal shifts are slightly different. Okay, on the screen I have my basics, right? I have my sine of theta, I have my first 2 lines of the table, and I have my sketch drawn as a reference. What I have on there is a question in orange, and this question in orange is sine of theta plus 90. How does this work? Well, what we're going to do is we are going to shift the graph. Hold on one second. We are going to shift the graph 90 degrees. In which direction? So what I want you to do is I want you to use this line and create a new heading. You're going to say 0 plus 90 gives you 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 gives you 180. 180 plus 90 gives you 270. 270 plus 90 gives you 360. 360 plus 90 will give you 450. So you do that shift and then you use this to get your answer. 90, 1, 180, 0, 270, minus 1, 360, 0, 450. So your pattern is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0. So your next one's going to be 1. Okay. Now let's go ahead and input this on our graph. If we sketch this at 0 degrees, when I sketch, I'm going to use this and that on the sketch. At 0 degrees, I have that value. At 90 degrees, I have 0. At 180, negative 1. At 270, I have 0. At 360, I have positive 1. So putting that together, what happens to my graph? If we continue the graph, that should go through there and over there. Whereas if I continue this one, it should go there and through there. So what has happened? What has happened is this has moved 90 degrees. This has moved 90 degrees. This has moved. This one has moved 90 degrees. This one has moved 90 degrees. Everything has moved left. So notice that this is theta plus 90 degrees. An addition means move to the left. Whereas theta minus 90 degrees would mean move to the right. Okay, so that's how you do a horizontal shift.